Hari Om Falguni Ji.
May we know your name and what do you do?
I'm Gopika. I'm a homemaker at this time.
How do you find Ritanveshi's Nad Yoga workshop?
It was really very informative and quite engaging as well. So it was a good combination of asanas, pranayamas, and the information, bunch of information that we got was really good.
Which session you liked most about Guruji?
Today's, of course, it was too much knowledge to absorb, so I'm still in that mode. So yeah, I did like the yantra mantras and today's nada as well. So I still have to. I still have a lot to absorb.
So do you feel the program was nicely organized?
It was very well organized. Thank you, Falguni. I should.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Will you recommend Nad Yoga Level 1 to the viewers?
Definitely.
May we know why?
I have done Nada Yoga before with Meenalji, and this is the second time I'm doing Nada Yoga, but it is a totally different perspective. Beautifully, it's blending very well with what I have learned and what I've learned now with level 1. So especially for beginners, if they're not exposed to Nada Yoga at all, I think it's a beautiful science.
Thank you so much.